racing machine takes more than a wave of a magic wand.
Yeah, hit a titty bar and throw the horns up.
Daytona. Here, the Viper outpaced the entire
Yeah, don't lose the beat.
Yikes.
Now they get loose on the bridge. Watch back of the car twitch right there.
Olivia Beretta now is holding on for sweet at Le Mans.
It is a real dog. And unfortunately, the television doesn't capture it. The onboards do a good job, but the closing rates are just unbelievable, especially when you consider the GTP cars and the GT cars of these guys running side by side.
Side by side rates, exactly. Look at this. I mean, this is who plays chicken here.